Most people think they have AI problem. I think they have context problem. Because you use AI at work, you probably know this feeling. You ask AI for help, it gives something decent. Then you explain the background, then audience, then format, then source, then tone, and then you actually tell what your manager cares about. You do so many iterations, and suddenly AI didn't remove work. You realize that it created a new kind of work. You are not just using AI anymore, you are babysitting it. There is a word for this now: bot sitting. Glean's Work AI Index says workers spend an average of 6.4 hours a week feeding AI context, checking outputs, debugging mistakes, and cleaning up the confident but wrong answers. That's almost full work day. So the question isn't, can AI save time? The better question is, why are we spending so much time making AI usable? Here's a simple answer. Most of us are starting from zero every time. We write a prompt like, write a weekly project update. But AI doesn't know the project, it doesn't know the audience, it doesn't know the real source of truth, it doesn't know what good looks like for your team. So it gives a generic answer. Then you correct it, then you explain more, and again next week, you do the same thing again. That's the loop we want to break. The fix isn't a longer prompt. The fix is a reusable context pack. Think about the context pack as a short briefing page for AI. Not a giant manual, not a complicated knowledge base, just one resource page that gives AI the context it needs before it starts helping. A good context pack has 5 fields, not 5 complicated steps, just 5 simple fields. First, role. Tell AI what role it should play in this work. Not be smart, be specific. For example, you are helping me prepare a manager-ready project update for a weekly leadership meeting. That gives AI a better job. Second, goal. Tell AI what the work is trying to accomplish, not just write an update. Maybe the goal is to make progress clear, surface risks early, or help leadership make one decision. That changes the output. Third, source. Tell AI what facts it should use. The source might be meeting notes, spreadsheet, a Jira ticket, a vendor email, or a policy document, or even your own documented bullet points. AI shouldn't invent the facts. It should work from the facts you provide. Fourth, standard. Tell AI what good looks like. A good update may need to be short, direct, specific, decision oriented. It may need to be separate, expressing clearly process, risks, asks, and next steps. AI cannot guess your standards unless you show it. Fifth, output. Tell AI the exact format you want. Do you want 3 bullet points, a table, an email, or a risk summary? If you do not define the output, AI chooses the shape for you, and that usually means that you would have to spend time later reshaping the output. So the context pack is simple: role, goal, source, standard, output. That's it. Let me show you how this changes the work. Old way. Write a project update for leadership. AI gives you something polished but generic. Better way. Use this context pack. Prepare a leadership update for the billing platform migration. Audience is senior leadership. Goal is to show progress, call out risks, and request a decision on vendor approval. Source is the meeting notes below. Standard is short, direct, risk aware, and decision ready. Output format is progress, risks, decision needed, next steps. That prompt isn't a magic. It's just giving AI the context a good employee would need before doing the work. And here's the key move. Do not rewrite that context every week. Save it. Keep a simple context pack for repeated work. Weekly updates, meeting prep, follow-up emails, risk summaries, decision memos. Now AI is not starting from zero. You have given it a reusable briefing. This connects to something bigger happening at work. Atlassian's 2026 State of Teams report says 85% of knowledge workers use AI, but only 29% have embedded it into their actual flow of work. Microsoft's 2026 Work Trend Index points to the same shift. Leaders have to redesign how work gets done between people and AI. That gap matters. Using AI once is easy. Embedding AI into real work means repeatable context, repeatable standards, and repeatable review steps. A few practical tips. Tip 1. Keep your context pack short. Aim for one page, enough context to guide AI, not enough to bury the work. Tip 2. Include examples. If your team has strong update, email, or summary, save it. AI learns faster when it can see what good looks like. Tip 3. Update the context pack after mistakes. If AI keeps missing a risk, using a wrong tone, or adding too much detail, do not only fix the one answer. Update the context pack so the mistake is less likely to happen next time. That's how you stop babysitting AI and start improving the workflow. One warning: a context pack doesn't mean remove human judgment. For high risk work like numbers, legal language, client commitments, HR decisions, security details, someone still owns the final review. The context pack makes AI more useful, it doesn't make AI responsible. So here's the action step for this week. Pick one task you repeat often, maybe weekly updates, meeting prep, or follow-up emails. Create one-page context pack with 5 fields: role, goal, source, standard, output. Use it 3 times, then update it based upon what AI gets wrong. Build the context once, reuse it, improve it. This is how AI starts becoming part of the workflow, not another thing you have to babysit or bots it.